Hello everyone, my name is Danny. Today video I'm going to show you how to use the MEXC global exchange for your trading, how to open the position and how to close your position. First thing, I'll leave a link in the description. They're going to give you the up to the $1,000 bonus if you sign up with my link down below. Let's get started. And when you're going for the open on the future perpetual, we have a two different part, USDTM and and coin M. What's the difference between those? Is USDT based on your USDT that you put it on as a collateral, and coin M depend on the coin that is support, based on normally BTC and Ethereum on good coin. You put it at the collateral, and based on the value, you open the position. We're gonna go in for the cover the USDT for now. First thing first, exchange is not place to keep your asset. You need to only put a money that you trading on for the day trading only. If you have a money, for example, $10,000 for your trading, you open the 4 position every day, just put a 10,000 in your trading to exchange on your trading. Rest of them is need to transfer to the hard wallet or cold wallet. We have a two different part on here, open and close. Open is, first thing you need to open the position. We have a three different position on here: limit, market, trigger limit. Gonna go in for each of them. First thing, you need to set up your leverage, cross and isolate. Cross margin is your liquidation and your position based on all of your money that you put it on your exchange, on your perpetual trading. I highly recommend it going for the isolated. For my strategy, I don't have any DCA. My strategy, I just use it for the isolated. I have a very simple strategy. Have a stop loss, is not gonna change, and take a profit. That's all. I'm gonna go in for the isolated. You just risk based on your isolated play. If you, for example, the price is jump and the heavy jump or heavy dump, if you're put it on the money and the exchange is warning you about this one too, because every exchange could be different, especially when you trade on the altcoin, is completely different. When the price has a big jump and your stop loss or anything is not being triggered, you just risk only your money that you put it on the trade, not hold the cross margin. I highly recommend it going for the isolated. But if you want to go in for the cross, it's cross. We're gonna have a leverage here. Adjust your leverage, for long and the short. Then put it and the confirm. This default one is 20, but you can change it anything that you want. And don't go in for the over leveraging too, because leverage is not good for your trading, except you are a scalper. It's different. That is for the short and long. You need to adjust the leverage each by one. I'm not gonna go in for 20, for example. Confirm. This one is you have a 3 different market limit. You set a price first. For example, I'm gonna line the market when the price reached to this area. I'm gonna line the market based on this. I just changed the color. When the price reached this area, I'm gonna line the market because we have a big support here. I'm gonna put the limit and open the position based on this one. For the limit, you have a lower fee for the limit. But if you put it like on the market, you have to pay a more fee. Keep in your mind. Market, for example, I'm gonna short the market. I'm gonna open the position when the price reached to the, open the long position when the price reached to the, for example, 19,800. Put a quantity. You wanna put it at the account, BTC, USDT. How much you wanna put it USDT? If you wanna buy a BTC, based on the BTC, for example, I'm gonna buy 1 BTC with the leverage of the 20. I have the 20,000 based on the base in 20. I have to put $1,000 as a margin. It's really simple to calculate your leverage and your thing that you need to do. And it's I'll put it on the USDT is more easier for me. For example, I have a leverage of the 20. My margin is gonna be $1,000 for this trade. I'll put a 20,000. Right? I'll put a 20,000 on this asset. 20,000 times 20, leverage of the 20 is count as a $20,000. They give me the 1.01 BTC. And then open the long position. Open the long position. They give me the open the long position in here. Press the open. It's going to be open. Set the market limit, and when the price reaches to this area, it's going to be open the long position for you. As long as you can set up the take a profit and stop and take a profit as a stop loss here, I highly recommend that do it so. For example, if they take a profit on here, trigger price is gonna be, for example, 21,000. Take a profit on here, and a stop loss is gonna be 1950. You can change it ROE to the profit and P&L too, and it's really simple, and it's easy. Just open the long and the short for both of them. The next one that I'm gonna telling you about the market. The market is when you open the position, when you put on the market price, the straight away is open the position for you. Exactly same, but market is pretty have a higher fee compared with the limit order. First thing, we're gonna go in for for example, I'm gonna open the $1,000. $20,000. $20,000 value of the Bitcoin for now. They give me the straight away 97, 93 based on the market price. The next one that I'm gonna talking about is a trigger limit and the trigger market. What's the difference between those one? First, we're gonna go in for the trigger market. The the trigger market, when they put it on the trigger market, for example, I'm gonna go for the brush, and we have a big resistance on here, this area, right? We have a big resistance under this area. We're gonna be open the position when the price break above this area under this, for example, 20,500 is big resistance for us. We're gonna be open the position 20,700, for example. We're gonna be put a trigger price at the 20,700, and this one, when the price break above this area 20,700, as a market order, they're gonna be open the position for us. That is really good for them. Don't miss the opportunity sometimes, but it has like a lot of risk too. For example, they put it 20,700, the value of the $1,000, for example, and they give us the 0.4 BTC because $1,000 is your margin is gonna be around the $67 for the $50 for the open the long position. For the short position, exactly same too, because the value that the money that you put it in there divided by the leverage that you put, they're gonna give you the margin here. The next one that I'm gonna talking about, trigger limit. What's the trigger limit is? Trigger limit, you have a strategy for your trade. For example, market is bouncing up to here, then pull back, then we have another impulse move. We have this one as a trigger limit. Market must be meet this area, then pull back, then run again. The trigger limit is gonna be 700, but when they pull back to this area, we're gonna go in for the buy it, right? 20,700 is a trigger, 20,800 as a trigger price. And when they pull back to the 20,700, we're gonna be open the position. 20,800 as a trigger price must be this area first. Then when they pull back to this area, we're gonna be open the position. Our market is been, is our price is been triggered. Our order is gonna be open under this area 20,700, and you can put it out there. For example, how much USDT that you wanna buy it. For example, $1,000 with the leverage of the the $1,000 with the leverage of the 20,020, it's gonna be open the long position on here. When you want to have like a multiple take a profit and a stop loss, for example, I have one stop loss here, one stop loss here. Just use it like this one, TRX. Just have one take a profit on here, and then one take a profit on here too, right? If you have it like a multiple stop loss and the take a profit, for example, I have a 3 stop loss and take a profit, 1 stop loss and the 3 take a profit. I have a 1 stop loss. I put it at the take a profit and the stop loss. For example, my stop loss is 0.0 or 50, for example, 0.60, 61, for example, 31%. You can put it on the ROE as well, profit and loss. Yeah, it's up at 20%, it's $19. Confirm, that is my take a profit, right? Stop loss. But I have a different multiple take a profit as well. 50, for example, I have a like a I have a value of the 700 out here. When the price reach to the, for example, 56, I'm gonna close my 150 value of the 56. Sorry, 0.56. I'm gonna close the 25% or 100%, and even you can put a number as well, 150 USDT, and they close your short. They're gonna give me the $6 profit, and all of the thing is gonna be here, sitting here. You can cancel it, and if you have a limit order or a stop loss or anything, you can cancel on an open order here. And the next one, I'm gonna put it on the 0.0, for example 54, and the quantity of the, for example 50%, and they close my position, close my short. They're gonna give me the $26 profit, for example. And the next one, anything that you want, you can manage your risk, and you can do it whatever you like, whatever you have. You can cancel it on here. And therefore, another thing that we have on this area, we have a one reverse bottom here. When they press this one, it's gonna be open the short and long position, for example, direction to the short and the long position at the same time. You, for example, if you have a short position, you reach to the big support, you're gonna be, when they press this one, you're gonna be open, close your short position and open the line based on the market price. If you do it so. And the good point of the MEXC, like a Bybit and BingX, you have a one thing on your hand. You can open the hedge position. For example, you can go in the long and the short at the same time. For example, if you want to go in for the long and the short, you're gonna go in for the long and the short at the same time for the TRX. Another way that you close your position is coming on this here instead of on the day too, right? This one is more handy for me. Depend on yourself how to find it out is better for you. You can close your position on here as well. You can do that, for example, if you put it under like a price and the quantity as well, they're gonna close your account, close your balance or position. That one is much more, if you have it close the short, you want to close the short, you want to close the short because it's hedging. You can do the hedging. You need to like close your short, tell the like this one, close your short and close your long. If you open the position as a short, you need to press the close the short, and if you want to close your long here. It's really simple. It's not really big deal. And finally, and the highly recommended, before you do anything, open any position, you need to come in here and find it out how much your lose and stop loss is gonna be. It's highly recommended to use the calculator and before open any position. Thank you so much for watching. I hope so that video give you some help and learn something. If you learn something, please smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you like, you can follow my Discord as well. And see you next time.